Hey guys, this is Pavni. Welcome to Fit Foodies. Today I'm going to show you how to make ragi idli. Ragi or finger millet is a perfect cereal for weight loss, packed with fiber and also gluten free. It has roughly about 35 calories per piece, so we can have 3 pieces per meal, which is about 105 calories. And this is best food for weight loss, diabetic, PCOD, etc. So let's see the process. How to make this ragi idli. We need to take 3 glasses of whole grain ragi, and if you want you can take 2 glasses also. It definitely depends on your requirement of batter. So here I am taking 3 glasses of ragi and 1 glass of urad dal and half a glass of idli rice. So you or ration rice, you can easily get it in any shop if you ask them specifically for idli rice. And I'm taking here a fenugreek seeds which will help you in the fermentation process. So you need to wash it and then soak it for about 4 hours. So in a mixie jar, fill half portion with the soaked grains and leave the half portion empty, and add little water, not too much. So it should come in this consistency, as for the idli how we make, the thick consistency should come. Don't add too much of water. If you add too much of water, the idli consistency won't come. Tip here for fermentation process, you need to mix it with hand properly so that the fermentation happen quickly. Leave it outside for about 8 hours for the fermentation, and this is how it looks after fermentation. It has fermented nicely. Grease the idli plates with oil or ghee. Check here for the idli batter consistency. A batter should be little thicker. Pour the batter into idli plates. It should be like I'm taking half of it and then pouring it. If we overload it with the batter, then the problem is with the cooking. So inside the idli it won't cook properly. So I'm just taking half of that spoon. Close the lid and leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can open the lid and check if it is cooked or not. Just touch the idli. You can easily find out whether it is cooked or not. If you feel still it is not cooked, then leave it for more 5 minutes. Finally, healthy ragi idli is done, and please do subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes. And also I'll be uploading my weight loss journey through intermittent fasting and low calorie food. Thank you so much for watching.